This is coming in from West Bengal as the Calcutta High Court has now restrained Mamata Banerjee and told her that no defamatory remarks can be made against the West Bengal Governor Ananda Bose. The court has also said that there is a right to freedom of speech and expression, but it is not an unfettered right in the garb of which defamatory statements can be made to tarnish the reputation of an individual. My colleague Kamalika is joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, the fact that Mamata Banerjee had made some serious allegations against Ananda Bose, that women are afraid to visit the Raj Bhavan, all of those remarks stand, in question by the court. She's been refrained from doing all that. What do you expect the next course of action by the TMC is going to be about this?
See, this is an interim order. Now, let me tell you that Mamata Banerjee made certain comments on Raj Bhavan, and after that, Raj Bhavan, the governor, he filed a defamatory case. The hearing was going on, and this is an interim order. Now, in that order, it is stated that Mamata Banerjee, along with three other, like Kunal Ghosh and other two MLAs, they are restrained from making any defamatory or incorrect statements against the plaintiff by the way of publication on the social platforms till 14th of August. Now, what we are getting is immediate reaction from Mamata Banerjee's advocate is that they are going to challenge this because they feel that the court has not stated that these are defamatory. Whatever comments she has made are defamatory. That is not stated by the court. But in spite of that, this restraint order has been given. So they feel that this is unfounded, and so they will be approaching the higher court. Now, they are saying that she has the right to freedom and speech and expression, and she has also they have also pointed out that that CM has merely alluded to the apprehensions of numerous women who approached her. So this will be challenged. That is number one. That thing is coming up from from our advocate Sanjay Basu. He has also pointed out that the court has not come to any conclusion that the statements were defamatory.
But Kamalika, I beg your pardon. I would just put out this piece of breaking news that you're also bringing for our viewers, and I'll come back to you in just a bit. So this is what Kamalika has broken down for us. Mamata Banerjee's lawyers have in fact responded on the High Court order. The interim order will be challenged. The court has not come to any conclusion. That's what they are mentioning. The Chief Minister has merely alluded to the apprehensions of numerous women who approached her, and that is the word that's coming in by the counsel of Mamata Banerjee. And they also say that she has a right to freedom of speech and expression. The statement is not found defamatory, so this restraining of speech is unfounded. That's what is coming from Mamata Banerjee's counsel. Kamalika, they're bringing us that latest piece of information. Kamalika, if you could take our viewers to the background of where this all started between the West Bengal Chief Minister and the Governor.
See, this was a tussle that was going on between the governor and the assembly, where in midterm polls, two of the MLAs, they got elected. And they were supposed to take oath. So there was a tussle going on between governor and the assembly that where they will take the oath. So there was a controversy going on that. And Mamata Banerjee, regarding that, while speaking, she mentioned, she did some comments against Raj Bhavan, mentioning about what is happening in Raj Bhavan. Women are scared to go to Raj Bhavan. These were certain comments that was made by Mamata Banerjee, to which the governor filed a defamation case against her. There was a hearing took place. The judge heard both the sides, and now the judge has asked to file an affidavit from Mamata Banerjee's lawyer and also the other three against whom the governor has filed. Another two are those MLAs who were supposed to take the oath, and another is the Kunal Ghosh, who is a very senior leader of Trinamool Congress. And then they will again they will give a reply. The governor's side will give a reply, and 14th is the hearing. So till 14th, this restraint has been kept. Now, what the court said is also important. The court has mentioned that in the present case, admittedly, the plaintiff is a constitutional authority. That means the governor is a constitutional authority. The allegation made against the plaintiff is pending before the appropriate court, even paper publication is made by making allegation against the plaintiff. Now, there were some allegations that there were some molestation in Raj Bhavan. That victim has gone to the Supreme Court. That is also another side of the story, because governor enjoys an immunity under Article 361, where no criminal proceedings can take place against the governor. And here there was this complaint which is now pending in the Supreme Court. Considering the above circumstances, the court finds that the plaintiff has made out a prima facie case and balance of convenience are in favor of the plaintiff. Here the plaintiff is the governor. And at this stage, an interim order is not granted. If an interim order is not granted and the defendants are permitted to continue making defamatory statement against the plaintiff will further suffer irreparable loss and injury of reputation. So the court has explained that if injunction or if they are not restrained, then the governor, the honorable governor, the plaintiff here, he will suffer irreparable loss and injury of reputation. So for that thing, this restraint has been done. That is the court's version. That's the court order. On the other hand, as we said, Sanjay Basu, who is the lawyer of Mamata Banerjee, he has come up with a statement by stating that nowhere it is proved that it is defamatory. So this is unfounded, and so they are going to approach the higher court.
Right. Kamalika, thank you so much for all of this information. Remember, there was a request for an interim order by the West Bengal governor's side, and that right now has been granted to him by the Calcutta High Court. So Mamata Banerjee has been refrained from making any defamatory comments against him. We'll keep an eye on this story. Right now, slipping into a very short break.